go back to the severe weather coverage and show you suspected tornado damage. Now, this is coming to us from Crawford County, Illinois. Yes, there is a Crawford County, Indiana, but this is different. This is in Illinois. This video being covered by a Terre Haute, Indiana television station. As you can see, this house hit. The important note about this video is this is the same major storm that then moved toward Bloomington, Indiana tonight. And Mallory, as we have been saying, it's just amazing to me, talking to that police officer, how whatever was down on the ground in Bloomington lifted up right before it came to that main campus. We're talking 3 miles away from where that bank was damaged.
And I mean, that was a textbook supercell storm. So those kind of storms can really produce a lot of damage, strong tornadoes, of course, a lot of hail as well. So very, very lucky. Still seeing those damage reports out of Monroe County, but thankful to hear that the IU students are okay. You can take a look here at the storm reports over the last 12 hours. You'll notice the little blue ones with the dots. Those are hail reports. And that's basically all we had here in Kentuckiana. These were from the storms this afternoon. That packed a punch with some penny-sized hail around the Louisville metro area. Nelson County, north of Bardstown, picked up some larger hail in the area. That's before those storms tracked off to the east to around Lexington and into eastern Kentucky. But you can tell where the bulk of the storms really rode the wave of the warm front. Once again, these storms lashed onto the warm front. The warm front is where all of that shear and all of that rotation was, and that's where we were seeing all the tornado warnings tonight. So from areas in central Illinois over across the border into central Indiana, just between here and Indianapolis as well. So they were very, very close to our viewing area here. You can also see the swaths in terms of the estimated rainfall. So some of those storms really packed a punch with localized heavy rain as well, stretching in the same kind of corridor here. You can see all of this really lines up. At this time, we're still tracking some scattered showers and thunderstorms on the radar. I also put the winds on here so you can see where the area of low pressure is. We also still have southerly winds at this time. The warm front is set up right here, and the cold front is where those winds start to come in from a different direction. So we are going to have a cold front that swings through tonight, and it's going to take any kind of lingering moisture that's out there out of here. I will say our tornado watch that we still had for our northernmost counties, that was extended until 11 p.m. That was allowed to expire on time, and we are still tracking just a few storms in this area. We were watching Jackson and Jennings counties because one of these storms was trying to have just a little bit of rotation. It had a severe thunderstorm warning on it, and that was also allowed to expire as all of those showers and storms just continue to track off to the east. Here to the south and south central Kentucky around Bowling Green, moving into Hart County right now, likely just going to be south of E-Town there, along and south of the parkways. We do have a cluster of showers and thunderstorms. This is all rolling in from Tennessee out ahead of that front. So that's basically the shower and storm chance that we're watching tonight. Very low severe weather threat. If we have anything, it'd be gusty winds, localized heavy rainfall, lightning. We do dry out very quickly tomorrow morning. More sunshine tomorrow, but it will be very gusty. Be aware of that. Wind gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour. Chillier sunshine with highs in the upper 40s and lower 50s. We continue to cool things down this weekend, back down into the 30s. Taste of winter there Sunday and Monday with overnight lows in the 20s. Doug.